Hello, everyone. Without wasting any time, let me get to the point right away. This company, Waaree Renewables Technologies, was a company I had covered exactly 8 months back. And at that time, it was a 20,000 crore market cap company, and it was at a valuation of rupees 1,974. And I had clearly said at that time that it was in a stage of correction. Not only was it in a stage of correction, I was also under the impression that this price of this, or rather, the price of the stock may lopside as low as below 1,000 rupees for a share. And correctly, strangely as I predicted, 8 months later, the price of the share has indeed come down below levels of rupees 1,000. So now, is it a good time to invest in this company? You may ask, right? So let's just go through the fundamentals one more time. Market cap 9,733, small cap, current price 934, high of 3,038 and low of 640, stock P of 52, which looks okay. ROC and ROE, which is pretty ridiculous, above 80, 107 and 80.2. Promoter holding of 74.4%, which is excellent. Profit growth again excellent at 74.4%. PEG ratio of 0.21. Now that indicates that the company is undervalued at the moment, right? So is it a good time to buy? Let's just get to that part a little bit later. Right. So the debt in the company is just 32.4 crores, which is very less. The reserves is 299 crores, which is fantastic. The EPS is again fantastic, 17.9, very healthy EPS. Now look at this. The industry PE is 52 and so is the stock PE, right? Looks pretty attractive, right? Let's get to that part a little bit later, shall we? So the cash flow from operations is fantastic, 118 crores. And the free cash flow for the past 3 years was 113 crores, which is again fantastic. Price to sales now this shows a different story. 6.98, which indicates that the stock is slightly overvalued at the moment, right? Now, I've already taken or rather explained about the price history of the stock. You all can go and see my previous video to know what is what. As you guys can see, from levels of 3,000 rupees, 3,034, it is slided all the way down to 934 rupees right now. So that's a 68% decrease, right, at the moment. Now, will it go down below this? Well, I'll explain that to you right away. Now, let's just have a look at the financials. I'd already explained the financials and shown everything very clearly. So now let's just have a look at it one more time, shall we? Now, see, guys, net profit this year, Jan 2025, is 187 crores. That's a lot more than what it was in May of 2024. Now, this is a clear sign where you don't need to really panic. Because if this over here, 187 crores, was something like 60 or 70 crores, then you have a big reason to panic. Because this being a small cap stock, if it does tank, and if the net profit does go down, the price of the stock can tank terribly. But in this case, financially, as you guys can see, post 2021 has been a massive increase in terms of the net profit and also the sales. So there's nothing really wrong as far as the net profit and sales are concerned. The company is moving in the right direction, and this being a major solar player will only keep growing in the next 3 to 5 years at least. So this is not an area to really worry about over here, right? And even look at the promoter holding. It's still more or less the same over here, right? FIIs have, not much FII investment. DIA investment is also not there. And as you guys can see over here, so there's nothing much to worry about. The promoters have also not sold their stake. If they sell their stake, there's something seriously wrong with the company, and then you need to seriously look into it. Now, is this the right time to invest in this company? Now, let's just have a look at the median PE of the company. That's very important to note over here because this is a company that has been in the market since 2020, 2012. So that's something we need to look at. Now, this is excellent news. The median P is 62.8. That's almost 63. Now it is below the median P, meaning the company is now cheap in terms of valuation. Or rather, it is at the right valuation comparatively. So this is a fantastic valuation. But is it the right time to invest in the company? To be very exact with you guys right now, please wait and see how the market is moving. Because the market is moving in a very negative scale at the moment. And now up and until the budget comes out on February the 1st, don't take any call on this. If it does slide to levels, I highly doubt that's going to happen. But if it does slide to levels of 700 to 750 rupees at the current rate, the PE will come down even more drastically. And that would be, I think, a fantastic valuation to buy the company at. This is again for people who only understand the business of Waaree Renewables or who are interested in investing in the company. This is not a buy or sell call. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. So you guys need to do your due diligence before actually investing in this company. But as far as I have understood, Uh, the company right now is available at a very, very good valuation. I don't know whether there will be a lopside beyond this, lopside meaning whether it will go down below this. But if it does for some odd reason, if you get it for levels around 700 to 750, I think that would be an excellent time to acquire some stake in the company. And I think this is a company that you all should definitely keep in your watch list at the moment. So that's it for me today, guys. You guys take care and have a wonderful day ahead.